So hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. Google just announced their December core update. And this is going to be not only just the last Google update that we know of for 2025, but this is also going to be one of the most important and biggest update for 2026. All right. So at least based on like what I know thus far, for the next 6 months, this update is going to have an impact on your rankings, on your organic rankings, and even on your PPC. So looking at the data, and I'm going to go into exactly what's going on with this update, what Google is updating. Now, the interesting thing about this update is that Google has been hinting towards what they're going to change under is the next core update, which is in December, which has been announced today. And so there are a few things that Google is going to change, and we're already seeing the impacts of that. And I'll go into that into this video. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next on this channel. Also like and subscribe as always, and let's jump to it. So the first thing Google is tackling is spam. So if you remember, Google said that the spam update is now going to be part of their core update. And spam has been a huge problem, not only with AI mode, so you see a lot of spammy websites appearing in AI mode, but also in organic Google search. You see a lot of spam from Reddit, what's called parasite SEO, and they start appearing with all of this gibberish AI content. And you'll also see websites that have very high authority but very low content quality appear high in SERPs. They'll be number 3 or 4 or 5, and they'll be doing very well. Whereas big companies and websites that have very high quality content are actually past even page 2. And so Google found that out. There was a lot of feedback that was sent to Google, and now they were updating that. So now what you'll start to see is websites that don't have great authority but have great content kind of move up the ranking. So if your content has been good, your internal linking has been good, and your technical SEO has been on point, you should expect to move up in rankings. Now, this might not apply to all businesses across all industries, but it's going to apply specifically to informational pages. And what I'm saying here is pages, not websites. So Google is going to be ranking high quality pages, not websites. So in a way, Google is disconnecting the authority of the page on the authority of the website to rank high quality content versus ranking a high domain authority, if that makes any sense. And we will see this having a ripple effect over the next 3 to 4 months as websites go through the whole process of getting deranked, re-ranked, losing rankings, gaining rankings, and the whole thing. It's just this continuous cycle that Google's algorithm goes through to decide what pages it wants to rank. So that's the first change that we're going to see, or we're already seeing with the Google December Core Update 2025. The next change, and this might be a really subtle change, and not all businesses might be impacted by this, is the introduction of AI detection. Now, Google has been watermarking its AI output for at least the past year that we know of, and Google has a very good understanding of AI content that's out there now than it did 2 years ago, or it even did last year. Now, it does not want to penalize AI content, it says that, but it wants to penalize blatantly AI content. So if you generated your content in Gemini and it was copied and pasted, the chances are it's not going to rank. All right. Or if it was ranking because you shot a few hundred links to it, or if it did well at some point, it's not going to do well any longer. Okay. So Google is shooting that down. Also, if you're not sure about, Google's whole detection algorithm and watermarking and stuff like that, on that, you can go ahead and read them. Google is not strictly against using AI content, but it's against AI generated content that has no human input and has just been copied and pasted and is just like everything else out there. But the only difference being it's being put on a high domain authority website. That's the only difference. So if it's just AI, you're an easy target. And Google does that with almost every core update. As their understanding of AI content improves, they kind of go after them even harder. So if you just got gibberish, you are in trouble. The next thing Google is updating with the December Core Update 2025 is AI mode. Now, AI mode, Google does very little what it can do with AI mode, but Google doesn't use the latest model. So it's not that Google is using Gemini 3 in AI mode. And the reason for that is that Gemini 3 is now very good at understanding the technical nuances of websites and ranking. And so what they're going to do now is like not update the model in terms of, have give you like Gemini 3 in AI mode, but they're updating the way content is laid out and shown in AI mode. So instead of having a wall of text, you're going to see more images, more references, and stuff like that. Google hinted towards that, I think, back in August. And I think it was John Mueller or someone at Google that said, yeah, we need to work on like improving the presentation of AI mode's output and making it more readable. And I think that is something that they're going to work on, or it's part of what they plan for the core update. The next thing we're going to see, and again, this is going to be on a case to case basis, depending on what your industry is. If you have dead pages on your site, so if the number of dead pages, and by dead pages, I mean 404 pages that Google is picking up on your site, outnumbered the number of live pages on your site, you're going to lose rankings, right? And this happens with every core update, by the way. So Google is looking at your site with every core update and it's seeing, right, how much has it improved? And if has improved technically, you are rewarded, not right away, but maybe like after a few weeks or something. Some websites are rewarded right away. So if your website's technical SEO is not good, you're gonna get hit. 404s, canonical issues, just the basic stuff. Google's not looking at anything advanced because the vast number of people that use Google search, if they run into a 404 page that's ranking, it's a bad experience, and Google wants to improve that experience, which is why they do this like with every core update, that they just clean up these pages, but now they're penalizing the domain that has those pages. So not only will you see those pages get hit in terms of them not ranking anymore, but the pages that were ranking and their positions will see a decline because it affects your quality score. The quality score is not great. The next update in this one is something that we have been expecting for a while is Google's the weightages on what it considers to be an authority website. So one of the things that it looks at is a quality score. So if your quality score has declined over the years, you're going to have that will impact your domain authority. And so you'll not be seen as a high enough authority as you were, like, let's say last year, if the quality score of your website has been declining. So again, make sure that you have a high quality site. Authority sites, there are other weightages that Google is changing. For instance, like if you have a presence at social media and how big that presence is. So the bigger your presence is, the more of an authority you are. And then if you are associated with a website, that will mean that you have a high authority website. So hope you guys liked the video. Let me know in the comments below how this December core update has been affecting you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Happy ranking.